In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen your Etsy seller account. If you found yourself needing to get back into the Etsy seller community after some time away, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get your shop back up and running. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Etsy homepage. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. If you have your credentials handy, you're already halfway there. But if you don't, take a moment to locate your login information, which usually includes your email address or username and your password. Now, once you've entered your credentials, simply hit the Sign In button. This action is going to take you directly into your Etsy account. From there, you'll notice that your seller account should be reactivated once you successfully log in. It really is just that straightforward. If your account was previously deactivated or inactive, logging back in typically reinstates it. A quick tip to ensure everything goes smoothly: make sure that your password is correct, and if you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Password link right there on the sign-in page to reset it. Etsy will send you a link to your email address to create a new password, making the process as seamless as possible. If you encounter any issues during this process, such as an error message or trouble accessing your account, don't worry. Etsy's support team is very responsive. You can reach out to them for further assistance by visiting their help center. They can provide more detailed help if your account requires additional steps to be reopened. Lastly, once you're in, take a few moments to review your shop's settings. Make sure everything is updated and ready for business. Check your listings, adjust your shop policies if necessary, and ensure that your payment settings are up to date. This small step can save you a lot of hassle down the road. And there you have it. Reopening your Etsy seller account is as simple as logging in with your credentials. By following these steps, you'll be back to selling your unique creations in no time. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Etsy shop. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with other sellers who might need a little guidance. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.